everyone. Today, what are we going to learn? Today, we are going to learn about 5 sense organs. So, how many organs do we have? 5 sense organs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First is eyes. We see with our eyes. Ears. We hear with our ears. Nose. We smell with our nose. Tongue. We taste with our tongue. And skin. We feel with our skin. But today we are going to talk about only 2 organs. So, first is eyes. So tell me, if you all close your eyes, can you see anything? No, we can't see anything because our eyes are closed. But when you open your eyes, what can you see? I can see the beautiful world. And what else you can see? I can see a tiger. Butterfly. Beautiful butterfly flying in the sky. And car, which is moving on the road. And so many beautiful trees. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Second is ears. Can you hear the sound? Yes, I can hear the sound. How? Because we hear with our ears. But if we close our ears, can you hear any sound? No, we can't hear any sound. But when we open our ears, we can hear the sound. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. So, we learnt about eyes. We see with our eyes. Ears. We hear with our ears. Thank you.